Online Manipur YouTube channel asbing birba mayam pum nong po amuka na taram noksari han badiam na maru iba paw am update thamjage Soma laishram ben chahi hum ben tawkiba ki matangda film forum gi surja kantar laimum na thadruk pasero nama taminasi film forum Manipur gi mathakta film gi oiba kanama leirige film forum Manipur na Soma thingba leite film forum Manipuri laikai amagi club natte khutti thingjin birakanu nang na aigi chaningba ensang saba yade haibagi natik leibra wakhal tauko haina surjakanta lai mayumna phongdok piri duga film forum Manipur na Soma laishram thingba leite film gi oina thingba leite haina su phongdok piri aduga mathangi update asna ima singi thauna Delhi da setlaga law thabang ambagi thauna fawba lei hojik lan asida ima sing amadi nupi oibi singi asoba thaudang lei haibasi su meitei nupi khuding makna khangmin nasi haina phongdok piri ngasi mathangi update asina manipuri police takini ngasi gi kui social media da viral chitriba meitei gi nupa ama Kuki na kui gi murnika New Delhi da Furamle Haibadugi Matangda social media da viral chitkibadugi Matangda ni on verification it was found to be a false and the misleading information ni adu aranba pauni public are requested to desist from publishing uploading sharing and suspect false news during the sensitive time kui gi sigumba fake information se share to within a haina police Manipur police ki maike de request tori mathangi update sisu Manipur police takini strict legal action taken up against anti-social elements by Manipur police. There have been protests today as well against the arrest of 5 persons at Porompat PS on 16/9/2023. It may be recalled that in view of extortion threats, misuse of police uniform and the impersonation by armed miscreants, Manipuri police has been making all-out efforts to curb the same in one such operation on 16/9/2023. Manipur police arrested 5 persons with sophisticated weapons in camouflage uniform. They were being proceeded legally. In response to this arrest, large number of people came out to protest and tried to storm Porompat PS, demanding release of the arrested person. Joint security force repelled this attack by firing tear gas. In this, few persons received minor injury, including NRAF personnel. These 5 persons arrested were produced before judicial magistrate and they have remanded into further police custody. Interrogation is going on and the investigation continues. Strict legal action is being taken against these anti-social elements. Manipur police is determined to carry on such raids operations and make all-out efforts to bring peace and normalcy in the state. Simultaneously, Manipur police appeals to the general public to refrain from such protests and cooperate with the law enforcement agencies in bringing peace and normalcy in the state. Haina thambiri search operation, narcotics checking and movement of essential items. Search operation were conducted by security force in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Imphal West, Thoubal, Bishnupur and Kangpokpi district. A total of 136 narcotics checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hill and the valley, and the police detained 178 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state. Movement of 475 vehicles along National Highway number 37 and 45 vehicles along National Highway number 2 with essential items have been ensured. Strict security measures are taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy is provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movements of the vehicles. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you have enjoyed and have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.